Pasig City Mayor Vico Sotto may have broken the hearts of a number of single and available social workers. It's because of a tweet where Sotto dismissed a fake quote attributed to him. Blame it on this art card that circulated online saying the mayor wants to marry a social worker. A netizen asked Sotto on Twitter to fact check. Some netizens were relieved that the mayor is keeping an open mind about his dream girl.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.